Good morning, y'all. Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, so I have my first batch of Firefighter radio strap kits available on the website. Link in the description. Right now, I'm offering black, medium brown, and natural vegetan leather. Right now, I only have natural vegetan available. Black and medium brown, I'm still waiting on the leather to come in. I'm gonna go over the kit, what comes in the kit. Moving forward, I don't know if I'm gonna offer the natural vegetan. The reason why, let me give you my little rant right now, and then I'll show you exactly what's gonna come in the kit. But cutting these out, clicking the natural vegetan, especially the holsters, was super tough. I never had that problem with the English bridle or the new Latigo, but this is the biggest die I have for the radio straps. And clicking this out on the English bridle or the new Latigo was no problem. But with this natural vegetan leather, being that it's dry, it's not really oily, it has no oil, it's just a raw leather. Not raw leather, but it's just vegetan, there's no oils or anything in there. It's just really hard to work with. By the way, this is Herman Oak, 9 ounce. It's beautiful leather, and I know that when it's done and it's oiled and you put a conditioner on there, it is beautiful and it breaks in super nice. Just trying to click that out, I had a hard time on my Weaver 8-ton. I'm just letting you guys know. So moving forward, I might do away with the natural vegetan. Let me know in the description below if I should just stick with black and brown, okay? And this is the brown that I'm gonna offer. You guys know what black is. Black is black, and the medium brown is, that's the medium brown that I'm gonna be offering, all right? Thought process with the natural vegetan is blank canvas. You guys can do what you want with it. You can stain it, dye it, antique it, whatever colors you want. But I don't know if it's gonna be that complicated, I might not even offer it. So, and if most of you guys say yes, then I might have to invest in a clicker, which is not a big deal. I will buy a bigger clicker. If this does well, the natural vegetan radio strap kit, then I might consider doing that. But doing this by hand with the 8-ton clicker is a no-go. Just letting you guys know that right now. All right, that was my rant. Let me show you what comes in the kit, hold on. All right, y'all, so this is all Herman Oak, 9 ounce. The kit comes with a 60 to 70 inch 9 ounce strap, 1.5 inches wide. Comes with the backing, it's a 2-inch backing. All right, enough to give you space to glue it. This is 5 ounce, Herman Oak as well. Comes with all the holster, pre-clicked, ready to go. The pieces for that, and all the pieces that go with the actual radio strap itself. Ooh, I'm missing a piece actually. Let me show you. Hold on, I got it. It's in this box right here. Okay. I'm glad I did that, but that's the vertical lapel mic. Comes with all the hardware, which is basically gonna be your 4 trigger snaps, your buckle, and your D-ring. That D-ring is for the holster. And you get them in different colors: brass, stainless steel, or black. You'll be able to select that on the web page, on the product page. And it's gonna come with your Sam Brown studs, or your button screws. As far as the fasteners, your Chicago screws or your brass rivets or copper rivets, I'll leave that up to you. So this is the only thing that's gonna come with the kit. As far as, like I said, your fastener, how you're gonna put it together, that's up to you. Also, how you're gonna stitch it, that's up to you. But yeah, that's the kit. All right, yeah, so like I said, just to recap, I have, I think, 10 available right now in my website. Link's gonna be in the description on the top. Also, there's gonna be links to how to actually assemble this, a video I put the other day, how to make a radio strap. There's also gonna be another link for the patterns and the blueprints if you wanted the actual patterns and the blueprints and dimensions for all the pieces. I'll put a link in there as well. And then don't forget to check out the leather crafting tips. There's tips on there on how to glue, how to hand stitch, all that, that's on there as well. Leather crafting tips, I'll put that up there. But yeah, that's it. Still look forward to the black and the medium brown that's gonna be coming soon. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to still offer the vegetan, but it was kind of a nightmare. If you guys say yeah and everybody likes yeah, I wanna see how these sell. If more people are interested in the natural veg, then I'll go ahead and make that big purchase. I'll buy that clicker, I don't care, I'll do it. A couple other things, the black and the medium brown, the holsters are gonna be black, okay? That's the way I offer it when somebody orders from me, is they're black holsters, and that's just easier to manage inventory that way because I commit one whole side to just holsters. So, but for this, like I said, the natural veg, the reason why I wanted to offer the natural veg is because the blank canvas, you can do what you want. I think it'd be kind of silly for me to offer natural veg, but the holster's only black. This is more of a blank canvas, but it was legit nightmare clicking it. But anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know, please let me know in the comments below if I should offer the natural veg or just stick to black and brown. That's all I got for you guys. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching my stuff. Okay, bye.